Here's an Advantage oscillating fan I bought at an estate sale a couple years ago. I think I made a video on this twice and never put it out. Advantage was a Eckerd store brand, and most of them turned to a CVS, including the one here. I don't like how the off is in the middle. I mean, between the high and the low. It's been in the garage display. It was up there. What the heck was that? Anyway, let's turn it on. Oh, it's made by whatever OEM made the... almost said Lakewood, the Windmere version. So, here's the UL. 1993. Made in People's Republic of China. I don't know how it melted, but it was there when I got it. I wasn't going to get this originally, but my mother, she was with me, and she was taking forever. I'm like, I'm going to grab this even though I don't want it, and you're going to pay for it. It was only $5, so who cares? Low. I believe I oiled it. It's noisy. The blade looks a bit kind of uneven. There's high. Enable oscillation. This is not a good surface to have it on because it's making all that noise. That's ridiculous. Put it on low again. It's decent. I like to stop it right there in the middle. I'm sure other people do too. And we'll turn it off. Pretty good. It's easy to service, unlike this thing, which has a riveted motor.